In this video, we will learn Euclid's postulates. So, as we know that Euclid was a Greek mathematician born 300 years before Christ. So, if you look at the timeline, as we have seen in the earlier video, it was like 300 years before Christ, and today we are in year 2012. So, we are talking of 2300 years from now. That was the time he was born. And he documented the basic aspects of geometry, the knowledge which was available at that point of time, and he gave us the 5 basic postulates. The first postulate is that given 2 points, there we can draw a unique line. So it means if these are the 2 points, so we can always draw a unique line from these 2 points. There will be only one unique line. So this is the first postulate. The second one is terminating line can be produced, can be extended indefinitely. So it means if we are talking of a terminating line, say for example this is A and B, and we are saying that they are terminating at A. This is limiting here, but this we can extend indefinitely. So this will go in this direction, both directions. Then the third postulate is a circle can be drawn. A circle can be drawn with any center, and any given radius. So we can have a center, and if we know the radius, then we can draw the circle. So if we have a given center point, and then we have a given radius, then we can always draw a unique circle. So this is postulate number 3. Postulate number 4 is that all right angles are equal. So what is the right angle? Right angle is the angle when one line and a perpendicular line intersect. So this angle is a right angle. So whenever we draw a line which is perpendicular to the other line, and then the intersection will always make a right angle, and these right angles wherever we draw, in whatever position we draw, they will all be equal. So we can draw like this, draw like this, draw like this. In whatever position we draw, all these right angle will be equal. And number 5 is from any point outside the line, a unique parallel line can be drawn. Parallel we write by this symbol, 2 line like this. Parallel line can be drawn. So what does this mean? This means that suppose we have a unique line. We have this line. Okay. Now we have a point which is outside this line. So from this point, we can always draw a line that will be parallel to this, like this. So this is suppose line AB, and this is the point C. So from point C, we can always draw a unique line that will be parallel to AB. So there will always be one line which will be parallel to AB if the point C is outside the line AB. So the point could be here, point could be here, point could be here, point could be here. So from all these points, we can always draw a line that will be parallel to this basic line. Then there is another corollary to postulate 5, or it is like, and that is through a point infinite number of lines can be drawn. Suppose a point is given to us. Now how many lines can we draw from here? We can draw one line like this, we can draw one line like this, we can draw one line like this, we can draw one line like this. So we can draw infinite number of lines from which are passing through the point. So this is also extension of postulate number 5. And also that a line has infinite points. So we can also see that because there are infinite number of lines can be drawn from a point, similarly a line has infinite number of points. So let me just summarize these 5 postulates. The first is, given 2 points, we can draw a unique line. So in this case, we saw that these are the 2 points A and B, and we can always draw a unique line joining these 2 points. And then if postulate number 2 is that this is a line which is terminating at these 2 points, and such a line can always be extended indefinitely on both sides. So a terminating line can be extended indefinitely. Then the third postulate is, a circle can be drawn with any center and any given radius. So if we have a point given to us and a radius given to us, then we can always draw a unique circle. That is number 3. And then all right angles are equal. So, but right angles are the angles when the 2 perpendicular lines meet or intersect. So such angles are always equal to each other. And the last postulate, which has many derivations, that from any point outside the line, a unique parallel line can be drawn. And we have seen that. So this is line AB and this is point C. So we have seen that from point C, we can always draw a line parallel to AB. Also, another way of another derivation from this is that from a point, infinite number of lines can be drawn. Infinite number of lines can be drawn. Thank you.